need a thumbnail. Okay, that's good.
Tell me what you want. I wanna really wanna sing a sing.
What do you guys want to do my interview now? Hi, Millie.
Hi.
What do you want me to put like underneath your name? Millie has a Western Star.
Liv, what would it say under my name? Adam Lewis. Alpha.
Yeah, okay.
I'll take it.
Okay, I'm gonna cut the weird bits out. Do you want to do it together?
Yeah.
What do you want me to put underneath your names?
Can you have James, local homosexual?
Okay.
Local Irish.
Hello! I'm Freya Reid.
She goes to third contract.
Style icon.
Style icon. Okay, I got it on tape, it's done.
No. Spice Girl wannabe.
Okay. Underneath my name, I don't know, I'll think about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who can I want to address the people?
Hey guys, welcome back to Dora's channel.
Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, Dora's YouTube channel. It is an honor to be on it.
What piece of advice would you give for people who want to like get into it and in musical theatre?
Be a man. Percentages work well for you.
You've got to do a lot of research into where you want to go. You've got to get a feel for it beforehand, because if your audition goes really bad, it doesn't mean that you don't like the school, and I feel like a lot of people say that.
The advice I would give to people doing auditions is just work really, really hard. This sounds really cheesy, but like, be yourself.
I was just gonna say that. I got in second year auditioning. Keep going, I don't know. I don't really know, that's such a hard question. I'm being interviewed, Rachel.
Be yourself. Really go out there and don't be afraid to muck things up, because they don't really care if you mess things up. They care if you have a personality, if you're bold and brash, and just be you.
Yeah.
Know what you have, like know and sell that. Do you know what I mean?
Exactly. Know your unique selling point. Do what you do and do it the best that you can, because no one else is going to do it.
Exactly. Know what you're
You've
good
got
at.
the skills.
Yay!
But I went to the summer school here at Bird, and then when I auditioned, it just made me like love it even more. But I do believe that you can have a bad audition and then still really love school.
In auditions, I'd say like recovery. Like if you go wrong, like carry on. Like be great. You'll be great. Be like
You'll be great.
you'll be great. The advice you would give. I don't know. Like take feedback really well, like with enthusiasm, and yeah.
Okay, what about you?
Oh, another piece of advice is don't change yourself to fit in. They really, especially if they don't want people to be the same. They want them to be different and unique, so they have their own selling points. So really stick to your own personality and your characteristics.
Yeah. What I would give to people is to be bold and be brave and just go for it. Do not care about what other people say. Although yeah, it's pretty hard, but once you start to do it, you'll get used to it and it'll just get better and it'll just feel better and easier. And yeah, don't be afraid to like be yourself, get to know yourself, and just show it off. Show your personality to the world and don't be scared.
Yeah!
Oh, what do you know about Croatia? Because most of my viewers are like Croatian.
Yes, I wanted to go to Dubrovnik for so long. Like, for years I've been like that. It just like the really blue water, just and Split. I had friends that went to Split. It is just gorgeous.
So
Sorry,
yes.
the fighting in the background.
Just fighting in the background.
Please, settle down, settle down. We've got an important interview right now.
I don't know much about Croatia, but I'd definitely like to visit because I want to visit every country and it sounds amazing.
Yay! People love Croatia.
Personally, I don't know anything about Croatia, but if the Queen Dora's there and the sun's there, I'll be
Oh, that was a good game. Thank you. Who wants to be in my interview? Oh, the worst food or the best food? The UK.
In the UK,
Yeah.
best food, I know it's not English, but an Indian takeaway. It's not really proper Indian takeaway, but it's gorgeous.
Okay.
Worst food, there's too much potatoes in my opinion. Too many
much
just like jacket potatoes all the time. It is just boring.
What about chips?
Chips are banging, especially from the chip shop.
Okay.
With curry sauce.
Okay.
I love that.
And what about fish and chips?
Yeah, I like that. With a bit of curry sauce on top. Fish and
Nice.
chips,
Nice.
they slap.
Yeah. It's different than the rest of the world or something.
There's lots of rain.
Lots of rain.
I'm gonna be biased. You think you have lots of rain. You haven't been to Ireland. That is rain central. You only think there's rain here. It's not that
Woohoo! That's a good kick. I like your kick.
An
Interpretive dance.
Slam, that means goodbye there.
Slam! That means goodbye in Irish.
Slam, S-L-A-M.
Slan.
Break up. Bye. I wanna see you in the next.
Drag Race UK.
What's Drag Race UK? Season 2 is the best season, pretty much.
Tell me about Drag Race because people don't know.
As the local homosexuals, even though Rachel is straight, there is a lot we can tell you about Drag Race.
Basically, it's a competition. It's like America's Next Top Model, only drag queens.
Yeah. They sing, they act, they sew, they perform. It's basically by being like in musical theatre.
It's basically like
But
us.
it's
Olivia. What else?
Which musicals do you want to go into?
Like legit ones like My Fair Lady, Carousel, maybe Phantom of the Opera, although it's so hard.
Catch Her on the West End.
Yeah. You smashed this one! Yeah.
Smashed it. Thank you.
What do you know about Croatia and would you like to visit?
I don't know a lot about Croatia.